Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. On the right side of the track bar, remove the bolt holding it in place using a 19mm socket. Step 3. Cut off the old rear track bar crossmember. Step 4. Spray the frame with a weld-through primer to prevent any further corrosion. Weld on the crossmember, then weld the crossmember and shock mount together. Finally, reinstall the bolt holding the track bar in place with a 19mm socket. Then you're done.